reference point has now had an update where you can actually put in a maximum offset, and the reason for this, just before I show you the change, is that if you wanted to design, for example, this edge of this car park here, which is what you're seeing in the vertical grading editor, typically you would provide a reference string, which in this case is this road here, and a code from that reference string, which could be the left edge of bitumen, which is just here. The problem, if you follow this sample line up, is that that code appears twice in the same cross section. This is the same road. So same with design constraints, if you don't have a search distance that you can change, unfortunately you end up with this type of problem, which is a lot of zigzagging and mess. So the reference point entry has been updated with the option of basically a search distance. So if I put in a value of 20, click OK and calculate profile, you can see immediately that I'm able to match up or get a reference which is much cleaner. So if you've had problems with this tool in the past, this will actually resolve a lot of issues with it. One further step here is to show you how the refresh button works. So I've got some sample positions here that are being used for the reference point entry. I'm probably going to just go ahead and resample to create a lot more to give me a better rate. So let's just put this up to 2 or down to 2 for the tangents of the arcs. Now typically at this point you'd go back to auto profile, click on calculate profile to close the form. However, you can now simply click refresh, and when you click refresh it rereads the reference for you immediately.